Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer affiliate links into RankMath tracking fields. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the RankMath plugin settings in the left sidebar. Click on the General Settings tab. Now, look for the Links section within the settings. Enable the option for tracking external links. Next, go to the Affiliate Links tab under RankMath. Click on the Add New button to create a new affiliate link entry. In the first field, enter the name for your affiliate link. In the second field, paste the actual affiliate URL. Make sure to include any necessary tracking parameters in the URL. Set the redirection type that you prefer for this link. You can choose from options like 301 permanent or 302 temporary. Next, assign a category to your affiliate link if needed. You can also add tags to help organize your affiliate links better. Once you've filled in all the required information, click on the Save Changes button. Now, head to the Advanced Settings if you want to use UTM parameters. Add relevant UTM tags to your affiliate links for tracking. After adding UTM parameters, ensure you save the changes again. To check if everything is working, use the Preview feature. Visit your website and test the affiliate link to ensure it redirects correctly. You can now monitor the performance of your affiliate links through RankMath Analytics. This will allow you to see which links are generating traffic. Regularly update or edit your affiliate links as needed over time. By following these steps, your affiliate links will now be effectively tracked. This will enhance your ability to optimize your affiliate marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.